Ani nga ni na lang nabutan na ta oy. Agoy, 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 agoy. Agoy, agoy, agoy. Unya dili na ni tangtangon. Tiis ganda.
Kulang pa eh. Kulang pa.
So this is our eyelash pick extensions with numbers. So hindi ko na sasabihin mga guys kung anong product siya.
Tapos ito yung mga kailanganin.
And this is what we need. This is for I don't know what they call. Basta't ginagamit panlagay natin sa mata natin, sa eyelid para hindi kumalat yung mga gamit, likido. We have a
Scissors.
small scissor. We have a tweezer. Ayan, dalawang klase ng tweezer. Ang dala niya. And this one, I don't know what is this. Ang daming paek-ek. Ito, eyelashes glue. Oh my God, I don't know what happened to my eyes tomorrow.
Surprise!
I'm scared. Eyelash cleanser. And I don't know what is this. It looks like a cream. And this one. Oh my God. Toot, toot, toot. Okay, let's start begin. I need to lay down here because he's gonna start now. Okay, guys. Guys, natapos din 3 oras. This is the result.